Meetings are important in every business setting, and so is minutes of that particular meeting, because minutes make sense of what the previous meeting was in order to continue the next meeting, right? Now, imagine having a system that does automate the entire process of taking minutes of the meeting. Introducing Fireflies AI. It's a tool that helps you do just that. It automatically just takes a minute, and all you need to do is invite it. It's going to automatically just mute itself and take notes. That's what it's there for. So I am going to just give you a brief demo of how this works. We're going to set up a meeting between my account 1 and account 2, and then show you how it works from there. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you would need to do is go to fireflies.ai. I've already signed up, and that's why you can see access my dashboard here. So it's as easy as just using your Google account or just your regular email to sign up. After that, the next thing you need to do is just go to your dashboard. Now, it's assumed that you already have the meeting set up. You can use this in Google Meet, you can use it in Zoom, you could also use it in Microsoft Teams. For this instance, for this example, we're going to use Google Meet because it follows virtually the same procedure, and I'm going to show you how. I'm going to set up a meeting here and then accept the meeting from my other device. So I have the device held with me, it's just my phone. And then this is a different account, so I'm just going to say new meeting, start an instant meeting. All right, so now that this meeting has been set up, I'm the only one here, so this is the link to the meeting. Now the next thing we would do is we're going to use this link. We can add other members, but we're going to use this link to invite Fireflies, because Fireflies is also going to be a member. So I'm just going to copy this link and then come to the Fireflies dashboard. Then the next thing you are going to do is just go to a new meeting and then add to live meetings. So there's already a meeting that you're going to add yourself to. You're going to enter either the Zoom link or the Microsoft Team or Dialpad or whatsoever sample link that you have here. So in this case, I'm just going to paste the Google Meet link and click on start capturing. Now in the meantime, also I am going to share this link with the other account. So when Fireflies is trying to join the meeting, it's going to bring out this notification telling you that this wants to join. And what we can do is either admit or deny, but we're going to just admit it. So Fireflies is now part of the meeting. So it's me and Fireflies. We're going to just go to the email from my phone and join the meeting also from the other account. All right, so I have it here and I am going to just click on join. So I'm going to disable this video, but then you can hear my voice echoing. So I'm going to also mute the audio from here. And I'm also going to mute it from here as well, so that we can have at least 2 different people having the meeting. The next thing I am going to do is to, the meeting has already started, by the way, and Fireflies is here just listening, because as you can see, it's automatically just joined as a muted member. So the next thing is to just continue your meeting as if you had no one listening, right? So I'm going to speak from 2 different accounts just to take note. So welcome guys, this is Williams, and welcome to today's meeting. I would be anchoring this meeting, and this meeting is all about trying to integrate Fireflies into our meetings from now henceforth. And Fireflies is a tool that helps you to take minutes automatically. What do you think, Mr. A?
Oh yes, I am really interested in seeing how this tool works. I read about it online and I watched some videos. It seems like the solution we've all been waiting for because Fireflies just picks the future. Like it talks about it handles those things that we want to be doing in the future to take care of the work efficiently in terms of taking minutes. So yes, I totally agree with you, Mr. Williams.
All right, so it's good that we're both on the same side. We're all on the same page. And one advantage of Fireflies is that as soon as this meeting ends, it's going to send a transcript or and a version of the minutes of the meeting to our individual emails automatically, so you have a copy. So even if you weren't paying so much attention, but as long as you've joined the meeting, you are going to receive a copy and you will be up to date when you come to a like the next meeting. It's also going to get a transcript of all our conversations, and from there know exactly what who said what, apart from just reading the summary. So that's just the end of this particular meeting. That's just the end of this demo, and I'm gonna end this meeting now. So thank you for attending. All right, so I just ended the meeting. The next thing we're going to do now is to just come back to Fireflies and refresh the page. We can also just go to meetings, and it's going to show us a list of meetings that it has captured. Let's just refresh the page and see what what this has done so far. So I'm going to click on meeting status. So by default, after the meeting, you have to end it before viewing the live transcript. So I'm just going to stop the video, and stopping it will automatically just generate the summary as it is. So for this particular meeting, we have some aspects that we didn't really need in the meeting summary, because it's something that we um it was an intro for the video. But then let's see how this handles everything, if it's able to extract parts of the meeting that were really important. By the way, if you want to check out Fireflies, like I said, just go to fireflies.ai and you'll be able to get access to it. Now we're waiting for this to generate it, and once it's done, it's going to load the transcript here as well. So let's just give it some time. I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's done. All right, so this is done, and this is an overview of the meeting itself. Like, this is a summary. This one by this side is a transcript of the conversations had between the parties involved, the first and the second speaker in this case. So we have an overview. So the demo and tool introduction meeting led by Williams Alfred Onen on this date focused on integrating the automatic minute taking tool Fireflies into. So if you read this through, you would notice that this has written this in a form that a secretary would in a normal regular meeting. And apart from that, it's also going to give you some notes and the timestamp in which some of those things were mentioned. So in this case, it's saying Williams Alfred Onen anchoring the um, meeting about integrating Fireflies into future meetings. Fireflies is a tool. It's a tool for automating um, minutes taking, and it's also going to do this automatically. Like, it also highlighted benefits of Firefly, which is impressive. It's also going to give you an action, like the action items, that's like actionable items that were discussed from the meeting. So integrate Fireflies into future meetings was a task that Williams Alfred Onen mentioned. Um, then this wasn't assigned to anyone, because we at some point of the meeting we mentioned reviewing Fireflies transcript and minutes after the meeting. But then this tool, like I said, it's a very important tool for the future, because it helps you just think less about how do we handle minutes of the meeting, and just go ahead and do your activities. And it's going to do it as well as it could. And for the free account, let me just go to the upgrade section, the pricing section. For a free account, you have unlimited transcriptions, access to unlimited transcriptions, but you have access to just a limited summaries that you can do with AI. You have access to 800 minutes of storage per seat, which 800 minutes converted to hours, I don't know how many hours that could be, but then it's something that is massive. As you can see from the storage that we have here, I still have 800 minutes left because I haven't stored anything, haven't done any massive work. This is just for demo purposes. But for businesses, they can opt for either the pro or the business plan. But then, as we are, the free access has done more than enough for us. Other features of Firefly could include having like an audio version of the meeting itself, like assuming you've already recorded a meeting and you forgot to integrate Fireflies. You could come and use Fireflies as an after tool whereby you can just import the file here. So it could be a video or an audio file, because from Google Meet or Zoom or some of those other meeting platforms, you could record the meeting itself. So all you can do now is to import that particular recording and allow it do its thing. You could just go ahead and check out other things like the integrations, because Fireflies as it is uh, has access to be integrated into a lot of services, as you can see on the screen. It's a very good tool, I must say, and I would like to know what you think about it in the comment section. If you've tried it, if you've used it, how have you been using it, and how has it been very effective for you? Um, I think that's all you need to know for now about Fireflies AI. You could just play around with it and just get to know it more. So that's been it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.